Using time and off, sir. First one, sir. Up to 70% loaded, sir. Cloths.
70%, okay.
Yes, sir. Her top in 3 inches gap required to fill
3
it, sir.
inches, okay, gap.
Close it, sir. In this one, powder or liquid, sir.
Okay.
In this one, fabric softener comfort.
Ah.
This one, empty, sir. Any dirty cloth, sir, added this one. Extra.
Dirty clothes, huh?
Any dirty clothes, you can put it. Extra.
No, it will clean there, huh?
No, sir. You can only extra this one part.
Okay, just to close it,
Yes,
huh?
sir.
Okay, fine.
Then close it, sir. This program, sir. This additional option, sir.
Ah.
And first one, sir. Cottons.
Okay.
Only pure cotton, sir. In this option. The 1 hour, sir. Wash, rinse,
Okay.
dry, sir. Up to 80% dry, sir.
Okay.
In this one, cotton 60-degree
Ah.
linen, sir. Bed sheet or blanket, sir. In this option. Only synthetic cloths. This one mixed load, sir. All
Okay.
type of cloths.
Okay.
Daily using this option, sir.
Okay.
This one delicates or silks, embroidering
Okay.
cloths. In this one only wool cloths.
Okay.
In this one drum descale, sir. Maintenance.
Ah.
1 month or 1.5 months, sir.
Okay.
Then wash on the descale in liquid, sir.
Ah.
You can insert the sprinkle it, sir.
Okay.
Half
How
of,
much quantity?
half of packet, sir.
Half of packet. Okay.
Insert sprinkle it or in this one put it, sir.
Okay.
This one powder
Okay.
liquid the part.
All 2 places.
This one or this one.
Okay. Okay.
Any one.
Any
places.
one place we can.
Okay, sir. Close it, sir.
Ah.
Drum descale program selected. Then start it, sir. 1 hour 10 minutes empty wash, sir.
Okay.
1 month or 1.5 months.
Okay.
This one only spin and dry, sir.
Ah.
Outside hand wash cloth, sir. Only spin and dry.
Okay.
Or only rinse option.
Okay.
In this option. Only shirts, sir. In this only sports cloths.
Ah.
In this only jeans pant or doormats in this option.
Okay.
This was steam antibacterial, sir. Patient cloths or hospital cloths, sir.
Okay.
In this option. This one only quick wash, sir. 50 or 30. 50 means less than 2 kg,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
30 only half load, sir.
Okay.
Can
Vests and briefs and all what we wear can go there.
This one the speed perfect, sir.
Ah.
Then press it 30 minutes, sir.
Ah.
Only half load.
Okay.
This one no only 1 or 2 shirts
Okay.
or 3 shirts. In this only 50 minutes.
Okay.
In this option only wash and rinse, sir.
Okay.
Not dry.
Not dry.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. In any program, wash, rinse, dry.
Okay.
Up to 80%.
Only in
dry,
quick
sir.
there is no dry.
Not dry, sir. Only
Okay.
quick wash.
Okay.
Any doubts, sir? Machine in this one? Programs?
That's fine. Chandan, you have anything?
No.
So whenever we set the program, we need to press start, right? To
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can the additional option selected last, then start it, sir.
Okay. Okay.
This one temperature, sir. And spin speed default set it, sir.
What is the temperature now set to?
Temperature is inbuilt hot water, sir. 40 degree.
Okay. Suppose we don't want to use.
You can press it. Only decrease, sir. Not increase.
Okay. Decrease
30,
0 also we can make.
20. This is a flower indication,
Normal.
sir.
It's
Only
normal.
tap water.
Okay.
Up to 90 degrees, sir.
Okay.
Up to 90 degree.
Okay. As when we
One-
press it comes
yes,
like
sir.
that. Okay. 92.
40, only 60.
So if we use more, it will draw more power, right?
Yes, sir. Only pour hot water, sir.
Hot water, but our IH bill and all will come more, right?
This one
Bestcom
1
bill.
hour 39 minutes.
Okay, make it the low.
1 hour
Okay, it
16
reduces.
minutes.
Okay, fine, got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay.
Spin speed, sir. 1200 RPM.
Temperature you make it 0 only for now, default.
Default, sir. Auto. In this
Okay.
one, any program, one program to one selected, sir.
Oh.
In this one, not selected, sir.
Okay.
Inbuilt 60 degree.
In this we cannot press.
Not selected, sir. Not selected.
Oh.
Inbuilt only 60 degree.
Okay. Okay.
This one synthetics 40 degree. Mixed load 40 degree.
Huh.
Any one program, no,
Oh.
default, sir.
Okay. Okay. Default.
This one anti-tangle, sir. In one cloth joining, sir.
Huh.
This one avoiding, sir. This
Okay.
one not default, sir. You can every wash. You can
Okay.
put it
What happens
selected,
when you
sir.
press that?
This one press it, sir. The dot is
On.
selected symbol.
It's on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, if you press, it will become off.
Off it. This one anti-wrinkle, sir.
Okay.
In cloths are wrinkles, sir. In this
Uh-huh.
option avoiding. These two option not default, sir. You
Okay.
can every wash put it, sir.
Okay.
You can select it in this one.
Okay. Like that.
In this one delay start, sir.
Huh.
Timer. In
Huh.
case office or outside, sir. You
Okay.
can set the timings. 1 hour, 2 hour, 2.5 hour, and 3 hour. then start it. After machine 3 hour running, sir.
After 3 hours, it will start running.
It, sir.
Okay, delay start. That's available for all modes?
Ah,
All modes, okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
You can one time, sir, switch is on, sir. Only program selected, then start it. Machine after 3 hour running, sir.
Okay.
Last, this one start button, sir.
Okay. What is that speed perfect?
This one only quick wash.
For quick wash.
Only this one, sir. You can only program selected, sir. You one time this one the rotate, sir. Default, sir. Restart. This one only speed 1 hour, sir. Not speed. Speed off, sir. You can time to increase, sir.
Okay.
2 hour 58 minutes.
Okay.
You only slowly washing. Can the only speed wash only 1 hour, sir. The washing machine is a speed wash.
Okay.
Not speed wash, then turn off, sir.
Okay.
Time to increase and save water, save power consumption.
If in between power goes, what happens then?
And power is coming, sir, automatically running.
It will automatically start.
Yes, sir.
It will resume from the place it stopped, right?
We don't have to come and press any button here.
No press it, sir.
Okay, automatically it start.
Can press it and restart.
And my question is, when the power goes and our generator starts, will it
generator
work?
not working, sir.
Okay.
Only 5 amps.
Okay,
generator.
so we need to switch it off when
Yes, sir.
generator is there.
Generator is not 50 degree, not 50
Okay.
amps.
Okay.
Only 5 amps.
Okay.
This one anti-stain, sir. Any dirty cloths. In this one I did, sir.
Daily this banyan and this vests and briefs, where it will
in
go?
this one mixed load.
In the mixed load it
Mixed
will
load. Any one program, any
Okay.
one but any one cloth, sir.
go. Okay.
Mixed load only all type of cloths.
Okay. And if any clothes has that shining things and all that material, right? The saris and all, that can
This one delicates.
delicates.
Delicates are full load.
Okay.
Are synthetics.
Okay.
In this one any dirty cloths.
Ah.
In this I added, sir. In this
Anti-stain.
one, the oil.
Okay.
In this one grease, baking grease. This one only oils. Any added.
Okay.
Extra.
And steam, where it comes, that steam option you said,
Yes,
no?
sir, steam.
But I have to set it on something, or it's
No,
automatic?
only this one option, sir. Only antibacterial
Okay.
option.
Okay.
This one only 60 degree and steam.
Okay.
Okay, sir. In any doubt, sir?
Yeah, that's fine. And we can use our surf, right? Surf, front loading surf and all, no problem, right?
Surf means powder.
Powder, yeah, front loading
Powder
washing machine.
You can better and powder liquid better, sir. In properly mixing.
Oh,
Powder
is it?
is cloths in joining, sir.
Okay. What brand it is? Powder, liquid,
Any brand.
liquid.
Any brand, sir.
Okay.
Bosch or
Okay.
this one the
Surf and
surf.
okay.
Sir. Any one, sir.
Fine.
Can one time then add it, sir. Any one program. You can one time then knob change it, sir. Fully automatic, sir.
Okay.
Fully restart.
It will not save the settings.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Only default. Only
Okay.
option default.
Okay. So if I'm reducing this to 30, if I go back
And automatically.
and come back, it becomes
No,
40.
sir.
Okay. Got you.
Only restart.
Okay. Okay.
Any doubt, sir, machine?
That seems to be fine.
That's fine.
This one the maintenance, sir. This one rubber gasket, sir. Every wash one dry cloth swipe it, sir.
After every wash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Any in this one the water, sir. In white patches,
Okay.
black patches. In this up. This one not removable, sir.
Okay.
Spin and this one. Swipe.
Okay. Okay.
This to open it, sir. After wash.
After wash, keep
This
it
two.
open. Okay.
Yes, sir. You can remove it, sir.
Okay.
This one press it
Huh.
and clean it, sir.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Then close it, sir. Extra one filter, sir. Any pins, coils, wastage, sir. In this one collected, sir.
Okay.
Any descaling, sir. After open it, clean it, sir. This one, sir. Rotating and 200 ml water coming, sir.
Okay.
Rotate, sir.
Water will come now.
Yes, sir.
Leave it then. I know in the Siemens it was like this only.
Huh.
Yeah. And that pipe we have to do anything? There is a
This
pipe.
one a emergency door lock, sir.
No, that pipe. Some
In
black
this one only emergency door lock.
door lock.
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
acha, acha.
You can start it, sir. This one's power is gone. Emergency cloths in the open, sir. In this one, sir. In this white cap, sir. This one remove it, sir. This one remove it and drum in water, sir. Pura going, sir.
Okay, okay.
And closing, sir. This one.
Oh, is it?
And this one closing. And this one the black part, sir.
Okay.
One gear tester, sir. One gear tester. This one pull it, sir. Down. This one pull it. And door open, sir.
Okay.
Only emergency.
Only
Power is gone and power is coming, sir.
Okay.
Automatically restart.
Okay, got you.
Only emergency.